After a long wait, Apple has finally launched the second generation of iPhone SE globally. In terms of design, the new iPhone SE looks quite similar to iPhone 8 smartphone but has different specifications. Talking about the specifications, the iPhone SE 2020 model supports a 4.7-inch Retina HD IPS display with True Tone and supports Dolby Vision and HDR10. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Apple's A13 Bionic chip, similar to iPhone 11 series phones. As per the camera, the new iPhone SE features a single 12-megapixel camera on the rear with f1.8 aperture plus OIS support, and there is also a dual-tone LED flash present on the rear panel. The rear camera supports 4K video recording at 60 frames per second. For selfies, there is 7-megapixel camera at the front with f2.2 aperture. The device packs with 64, 128 or 256GB of internal storage, and it runs on iOS 13 out of the box. The RAM and battery capacity of the phone were not revealed at the moment, but it is set to last as long as iPhone 8, and it will also support wireless charging. Additionally, the handset supports Touch ID fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also features IP67 certification for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi calling, NFC, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, Lightning charging port, and sadly, there is no 3.5mm headphone jack. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 138.4 by 67.3 by 7.3 mm and it weighs around 148 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The new iPhone SE2 has been priced in the US for 64GB storage variant at $399, while the 128GB model is priced at $499 and the higher 256GB storage model is priced at $549. Whereas in India, the new iPhone SE price starts at 42,500 rupees for 64GB storage variant, that goes up to 47,800 rupees for 128GB storage variant and 58,300 rupees for 256GB storage model. The pre-orders for the smartphone will begin from April 17th in black, white and red color options, and it will go on sale starting from April 24th in the US, and unfortunately the Indian availability has not revealed at the moment. So, what do you guys think of this new iPhone SE smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSolve YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.